Hi, Katie. When your baby is not rolling over, I understand the frustration, but I would like you to know that you have to look at where the milestones were. Now, first of all, a child is not going to go up on their elbows. It's just not the way it works. They don't do static pose. So your child's getting stuck in airplane mode, but really because the lower back is just not crossing midline. Just even rolling over really should come before, from their back to their belly. They see an object and they want to roll over, and your child's not doing that. I'd love to see a video of her using her vision, or him, sorry, I'm now doing this and I don't mean to be disrespectful, but really is, you're going into that. I do have a rolling over course. I have a tummy time course, but you know, at 6 months, I mean, the rolling over really should have happened at 3 months. So, you know, I know he's not grabbing his feet, you know, things like that that are not happening as well, and getting stuck. And so you're getting stuck. You don't want to grab the feet and roll over. That's why I did the whole course on that. It's a great course. It's not a lot of money per se, but it's a step-by-step, and it's going to show you what bad rolling over looks like, as well as good rolling over, and how to work on that. But really right now you have to stimulate the spine to cross midline, because right now the spine is just there. Even on the back, I can just guarantee you get this kind of movement, you're not getting the pumps and all those pre-crawls that are starting to happen. And not coming to sitting. Sitting is difficult because he tosses his head back. There's just lots of things that I know are going on with you right now, and you're starting to worry. So that would be my first bet, is to work on the rolling over course. And I put the link in your comments. Thanks.